Former Brazilian President Jair Bolsonaro will stand trial for allegedly conspiring to overthrow the government after he lost an election in 2022, the Supreme Court ruled on Wednesday. A 5-judge panel decided unanimously to put Bolsonaro on trial. The court proceedings are expected later this year. If found guilty, Bolsonaro could face a long prison sentence. In his opening remarks on Wednesday, Justice Alexandre de Moraes screened dramatic footage of Bolsonaro's supporters storming government buildings. The violent scenes unfolded just a week after the inauguration of President Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva in January 2023. Moraes said the insurrection was a result of Bolsonaro's, quote, systemic effort to discredit the election he lost and then conspire to overturn using violence, with the help of senior military officers and cabinet members. Bolsonaro, who was president from 2019 to 2022, is accused of 5 crimes, including an alleged attempt to violently abolish the democratic rule of law and a coup d'etat. He has denied any wrongdoing and denounced the case as politically motivated. Bolsonaro spoke at a press conference in Brasília shortly after the ruling.
Today, I hope to put a final point on this. It looks like there is something personal against me. The accusation is very serious and unfounded.
Wednesday's ruling, roughly a month after Brazil's top prosecutor presented charges, reflected an extraordinary pace for a top court that often takes years to decide major cases. The speed reinforced views that the justices are keen to wrap up the trial before the 2026 presidential campaign gets underway. The court also accepted charges against 2 retired generals, Bolsonaro's former defense minister and his former chief of staff. It's the first time high-ranking military officials in Brazil will be put on trial for attempting to abolish democracy. Bolsonaro has insisted he will run for president again next year. That's despite a ruling barring him from running for public office until 2030 for his efforts to discredit the country's voting system.